Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to clone your own voice in Heygen. Now step 1 is just go to the heygen.com home section, otherwise you can just click on Google and just search here Heygen and you will see the website of heygen.com. Just open the website, log in with your account, and once logged in you will be at the home page. So once you're at the home page, just scroll down and you will see this option like AI voices in the assets section. So just click on AI voices option, and inside the AI voices you can just click check the Heygen library where all their voices are listed. If you want to check, just click on play, and
Hey there.
as you can see, like the voice player, you can just select the any voice if you want to select. Now in any case you want to create your own voice, this is the option inside my voices section, create new voice. Now you must have an upgrade plan of the Heygen. As you can see, like upgrade to creator program, which they have, which is $29 per month. You can just add your bank account, select and upgrade to the plan, and once upgraded you can just clone your voice and it will be added into this section, my voices, and just similar like these ones. So you can just click on get voice ID, or you can just choose the voice to create your videos or audios or whatever you want to create, but the voice will be added into this section, which is my voices. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can create your own voices or clone your voices in the Heygen.